we're gonna surprise you with a Ryan's World box.
A huge thank you to Ryan's World, Bonkers Toys, and Pocket Watch for gifting us these new Ryan's World toys.
I don't know. All right, let's see what's inside. The new Ryan's dart tag game. So we need to get batteries in this to see how this works in action.
No. Mommy! Ow!
Pretty cool. This one is just a pullback shot blaster. Target pack.
Mommy, oh, I knew it.
This is the Eradicator motorized blaster.
Whoa! So now we've got Ryan versus Combo Panda. So these are the 6-shot blasters. It comes with the target packs. So Jude is going to try to shoot these target packs over. All right.
And shoot too.
Go. Go. Got the duck. All right, let's see if we can get this target. Oh, so close. Nice.
So this thing, I see on this and this with the I don't know if you did this before.
All right, guys, now we're going to be unboxing this Lost City Adventures from Ryan's World. It's a mega adventure chest. Here's all the cool things that are included. So let's open this up and see what we get.
Today we're going to be opening the treasure chest. Now we're going to open this. Knock off. I can get the other. That's it. What's this? Dada, 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 dada. Mommy's clothes. No, I'm not.
Oh, I think it's on a parachute. So you throw it up in the sky?
Baby, my baby. It's another sister.
It's the other sister. The twins. Emma and Kate.
Emma and Kate.
Ryan on the parachute.
Yeah. Oh. Big Ryan after. Good one. It's a spinner?
Fidget spinner?
I don't know. They're hard. 4 big boxes. I didn't actually know it was
It's a submarine.
You can read it.
It's your adventure journal.
It's tagged so you can get more skins.
Perfect for your game on your iPad. Stickers. Put your name on it. Yeah, it's the mom. You're gonna get the whole family, it looks like. Is it the dad?
It's Ryan.
Oh, it's Ryan.
My friend is Dad.
It's the dad. Now you've got the whole entire family for the Lost City Adventures. All right, we're gonna see what we got. All right, let's see what we get. We got Antarctica, Ryan. Rome, Ryan. Australia, Ryan. Egypt, Ryan. Mexico, Ryan. USA, Ryan. Dubai, India, and a tour plane.
It's a tour plane.